All right, Kayla, you're new and you get two. Essentially, I don't know. Hopefully, you've watched me before, but I read emotions, I read energies, and here we go. A lofty energy. Now, you're not surprised. This is a daily life of looking at things and all of this. Sometimes you have to have your assertiveness to come through. But they're saying that it is like, what do you want to be compatible with anymore? You're starting to notice. So you're one of the people that are beginning to wake up and say, how I need to redefine what it means into a relationship. But then they're also showing me that there's an auto response inside of you that has like maybe a terse position. That a terse aspect would be like when there's an emergency, you have to not be kind. You have to literally, you know, got to save a life here. Got to do this really quick, or time's running out. I've got to do something. So you got a matter of seconds. But you've watched people that have done this to you over and over and over, but not lofty. Excuse me. That's a
Bless
sign.
you.
Thank you. In a way that you need to give them respect. There are two people that kind of don't give that respect in return. They look like they go into their 4 or 5 year old self, whether they're children or not. What happens is that you are responding and noticing that these people have a very lofty energy. Check in with your auto self because you're starting to build an intolerance. You're like, I can't tolerate this shit anymore. Mm-mm. It's causing you to have this little talk inside your head that you have to prepare yourself to talk to these people in the future, which throws you off because you're beginning to wake up, which means there's a party that don't want to play this game. You're like, homie, don't want to play this anymore. But now the loop has been caught into it. This is where I would tell you to use OMG. Notice that you're thinking about that person or that situation over and over and over and over and over and over and over. Put your hand here on your head, keep it there, and just focus on and give yourself, scale it, put a 0 check, and notice, it's the incident. Keep healing it out until it feels 0 with the person. Heal it out, it gets to 0. But anyways, that's what I would tell you would be best to help you take back your power.